Grab your hard hats. It's Christina K, and we're back again with another floor plan walkthrough. I am your favorite new construction real estate agent, serving North and South Carolina, licensed with Johnson Group Partners in South Carolina. Let's take a look at the Mitchell floor plan offered at Waterford Commons in Rock Hill, South Carolina. This is a new community offered by Eastwood. So let's take a peek around. When you enter into the room, or the home rather, you will find your bedroom to the right of the doorway. Next to that, you will find a full bathroom with a double vanity. It does have the shower tub combo. To your right, you'll find your dining space, and then it opens to your kitchen, your great room for you, and a breakfast nook. Right off of the great room, you will find the laundry room and the owner's suite. The owner's suite comes with dual vanities, but they are separated, which is really unique for some of these builders. So you'll have one person on one side, and then there's another vanity behind the door to your left next to the shower for the other person. There's a luxury stand-up shower, a water room, and a closet found in here. As we leave out of the owner's section, let's head upstairs and take a look at the additional bedroom space upstairs and the loft area. Now, I will say this is an extremely spacious loft, and I don't use extremely often, but as you can see, this is a really large loft area. As you enter into the bedroom, you will find that there is a nice walk-in closet and a full bathroom on this level. This full bathroom does jack and jill back into the loft space. It is a shower tub combo. And if I haven't mentioned already, those who would like to purchase in this community can take advantage of my standard representation package, which does give you up to 1% of my commission back to assist with various things when purchasing a home in this community. Be sure to click the links in my bio, send me a text message, and let me know when you'd like to take a private tour of this floor plan or other floor plans with Brittany, my on-site sales agent. Happy house hunting!